So what's up? That's the current state of the FRS. Now I need to remove the AC system to remove the last connection that connect to the harness, which I need to go to get through the grommet like this. This one on the other side to take off the harness from both sides. And I believe these are a bunch of 10 and 12s to remove the two units. So to remove the AC from inside the AC system, you need to remove the lines, depressure the system, remove this bolt, 10mm bolt over here, push this in the cabin at the same time as this, and after that you should be able to remove everything from inside. Just like so, everything's out. Turns out that I thought that we had a connection going in the back of the AC, but it was only a little clip like this, and this goes to this thing, which I don't really know what it is. So that's out. Some fluid spilled out a little bit. I guess there were some left over in the line, so yeah, not big deal. And now the last thing I need to do is remove the line. There's a 10mm bolt over here, and I should remove these. Remove these over here, over here, over here to remove the AC systems. To remove these ones, you have a clip which you need to pry from here to split it so you can remove the line. And need to remove these. There's a clip, white clip over here that holds it in place. You can remove this. There's a connection over here. There's another white clip over here, and that goes to the front. One goes through here, the other one goes in here, and that's it. AC lines are out. Now I need to remove this thing. It's a bunch of 10mm, I think it's 4 of them, and I should be able to remove it from the top after, and the whole AC system is out. Garbage. So for here you need to remove this rubber cover grommets first, and the little white plastic. You just have to push on these, on one tab over here, there's a tab all over the place, so you just have to press it, push it towards you and it's gonna be removed. So now I'm gonna go inside the car to push the harness towards the front. Just like so. So you go back and forth like this. You go, after that you go over here and try to take it out. Now I'm gonna go inside and you just do this a couple of times and you're gonna have the all harness out. So this one's out. Now I need to work on the other side, which I need to remove the brake booster, the ABS, everything over here before taking it out from here. So first thing is to remove this module, to remove this after that, and the best tool to have to remove all this line is some flare nut wrench. They are very handy and you're not gonna strip everything since you can go all around the nuts and stuff, so yeah, you're not gonna strip it or whatever, and they tend to strip a lot when you do it with the traditional wrench. So I need to remove all these, remove a couple of bolts that hold the ABS. There's 3 bolts, one over here, one over here, and one over here, and I should be able to remove this, and after that I'm gonna be on that thing. So there's actually a 4th bolt that's over here, so I remove the inner fender over here to access this one, and to remove this clip from here, this connection. So now I'm gonna remove this line over here, this one over here, this little connection. It should be easy to remove like this. And after that, I need to go inside to remove the bolt that's hold this in place. See, no stripping. So to access the bolt that holds the brake booster in place, I'm gonna remove this thing, this module over here, to access the bolts that are in the back of it. There's 4 bolts, I believe they are 12 millimeter, to take the whole assembly off as well. So I'm gonna start with these 10 millimeter bolts. After I remove the 4 bolts, I need to remove this little clips over here to remove the brake booster, and I remove the 12 millimeter bolts from here to remove the brake pedal as well. So now I need to remove the harness from over here, which I'm gonna start with unclipping and unbolting the harness as much as I can, as far as I can, just to have some loose to wiggle it out. And yeah, so now it's time to remove this cover. So to remove the cover of the wipers, you need to remove the wiper itself. That is 2 14 millimeter bolts, and there you have 4 clips, I believe 5. And you have 4 clips in the front, and I broke each one of them, so they are a pain to remove. So yeah, that's it. So what you need to do now is remove this guy over here, so I can free this to free this. And after that, I need to free everything, the whole harness over here, through here, and remove this thing over here. So the best way I found to remove the grommet over here, the rubber, I did go inside and just push on the harness. So the grommet did go through towards the core. So now I just need to push this in and take it off. So to remove the rest of the harness, you just have to follow it, and you're gonna find some ground. There's ground over here, there's ground here, there's ground here, and you have a bunch of clip all around. You have one that's hidden over that hold the harness inside here. Everything, the fuse box have 3 bolts, one here, and one here. That's hold it in place. So now I can take this out, and the harness is fully out now. So I think what I'm gonna do next is clean the engine bay. Since it's the only thing that's left, it's the brake line and the fuel hose. So I'm gonna clean everything with water, soap water and stuff, and degrease it and make it as clean as I can. For now, I'm gonna plug the hole so the water doesn't come in, and after that I'm gonna clean the inside of the car. Basically now I'm ready to put everything back in, but as you can see, it's a mess in here, it's a mess over here, it's a mess everywhere. So I'm gonna clean everything, organize everything, and after that I'm gonna start with the transmission and the drive shaft. So that's it for the AC, brake booster, harness, from the chassis, from the engine bay. Everything is removed inside. So that's it for that. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.